All right, guys, as you know, all problems are accounting problems. I had a client, his name was Peter. He ran a removals company. Sat down with Peter at tax time and said to him, Peter, tell me exactly what's going on in your life. He opened up to me and basically said, John, me and my wife are struggling to have kids. And I know what you're thinking. That's not really an accounting problem, but it was an accounting problem because everything's an accounting problem. I said, what is the problem? He said, the reason we can't have kids is because me and my wife work, and if she stops working to have kids, we're just not going to make enough money to make ends meet. I sat down with him and I said, okay, well, let's hypothesize. We strategized. We looked at his company. His company was a removals business and he was actually making good money. Basically, what I said to him is, if we restructure your company, we can do something where we use a family trust to move profits from your company into your wife's name. We can reduce your overall tax burden, leave more money in the family kitty so your wife doesn't have to work as much and take more time off work. You guys can still end up with the same amount roughly after tax by splitting your income. He thought about it and he hit me with the question that most people have when we talk about restructuring companies is, won't I be hit with heaps of CGT? That's when the real advice came in. We sat down with him, we looked at all the concessions available to him, 50% CGT discount, 50% active asset exemption, put some money into superannuation. We can do this whole restructure. So instead of paying 47% tax on your profits, we can bring that tax rate effectively down to 30% in your family. That tax saving was the difference for his wife to stop working for a time, save some money in the family for her to have some kids.